Today is play day and a secret key. Off we go to the doll shop. Let's make a doll.
Welcome, doll. Do you want princess?
Slide the scissors to cut out the shape. The doll.
Aha! Thank you! I love it!
Stop the orchard. Together. The fruit is falling. Catch it. 3, 2, 1, go! Great! We got the fruit! Peel the fruit. Drag the peeler to peel the fruit. Now let's make some fruit things. Square bread. Heart-shaped bread. Then add kiwi. Orange. Pear. Pear. Kiwi. Kiwi. Orange. Pear. Apple. Choose your favorite sauce.